So after creating our account, we have to register and we need to create our database, right? Yeah, let's see here we have how can we do it. Okay, so we need to register our app to get credentials and we need to click add app button and then select this one. We have to add app and then we have to select web app. Okay, and then we need to register our app and we have to get our name like wellness nickname wellness, also select Firebase hosting for this app. Okay, and then we click on register app. Then we have to get Firebase SDK. Okay, here at the another step is add Firebase SDK. Use NPM or use secret. If you are already using NPM, Webpack or app, you can run this command. Okay, we should see our instruction. App name, we already provide app name and register app. Then Firebase we should go containing. Yeah, we have to copy this object as we will paste it in our project. We need to paste it our project file, right? So what to do next? We see the code and we should copy the code. We have to put it in our project, this configuration object. And then another one, step 2. Okay, we will copy this code. I'm trying to copy this command and this code, trying to initialize NPM. This one is for NPM, and we will copy another one also in case. This one another secret tag. We can add it in our application. This one. Okay, Firebase config. This is secret code. Okay, after we copy and this one you can explore more if you want to know more. Then this one SDK. We will add SDK in our code later, and then next install Firebase CLI. This is to host our website Firebase hosting. You need a Firebase CLI command. So if you want to deploy our website in Firebase, we have to install Firebase CLI command from in our code editor. Okay, this one is if we want to deploy, we have to install Firebase hosting because we want to Firebase install to deploy our website. And then let's see, do we need to do that one or not? And then create the Firestore database. We have to create Firestore database because we want to store our data in Firestore. So we will create a database now. This one is just register. I think we should, let's see. Yeah, this is the deploy, how we deploy, right? This is the deploy register app. We use this code in our website and we will deploy Firebase login, Firebase initialize, Firebase deploy. Okay, let's copy the command. This is the deploy command. if we want to deploy our website on Firebase. We log in, and then we have to select Firebase initialize in our project, and then this is the deploy command. Okay, let's copy. This is the final step deploy. Then now we want to create a database, right? We don't have the project yet. We are now setting up the database in Firebase first. Backend. So we need to create a Firestore database. Go to continue to console here. This is our console, right? Where next? This one deployment. Okay, database and storage. I'm going to Firestore. We will use Firestore. Firestore is a document database, key value pair, name as you are. Cloud Firestore. We have other products. Okay, create database. Introducing new query engine, standard or enterprise edition. They have two one. Create a database. So under the product name database story. Yeah, you see, Firestore database. We already select this. Then create database pattern. We will create database pattern and then start in test mode. We will start in test mode. And then click next and choose the build location. Click any. Okay, let's do it. This one, right? And then we already create a database. Click create database and then next location. We have to choose the location that is nearest to our location. Home location, Hong Kong, Singapore, or Bangkok. Let's select Bangkok. After you see, after we select this, we cannot change it later. So be careful to select your location. Don't forget it, because this is related with storage and application is depend on our latency or other processing time. Yeah, and then I'm going to select this one. Next, configure. So after you define the data structure, you will need to write the rule to your security. Yeah, this one. Service cloud. We write, and we will select start in test mode, right? Not production. And then here, let's see our command start in test mode. So this allows we wait for development without needing authentication. Set it immediately, and then click next and click database location we already choose, and then anyway. Okay, let's create and select the test mode and create. Now we are creating our Firestore database on Firebase. Now we can develop our applications. This is a backend database, and to store the data, let's see. Here we go. We have a database. This one is Gemini. You can, if you don't know how to do, you can ask Gemini here. They have Gemini assistant. No worry. Just do it. Yeah, we have a collection. Start collection. You have to create this one. This okay. This one how to create a database, right? Well, we already database. It's like we need to create a collection. Collection is like in relational databases table, but here is a collection ID. Okay, the database is ready to go. Just add the data. Okay,